So sauerkraut, we're using the cabbage. I have two small cabbage here. We're using vinegar, we're using an apple, we're using sugar, we use kummin karve. It's an exactly karve is a Norwegian word and caraway seed is English word. And we of course use water. That is what we're going to use. So we just start cutting off the stem in the cabbage. So, and then we just start cutting very slow. And this can actually be standing in the fridge for you name it how long. I had it in the fridge for more than a year when I lived in Africa, and Africa is hot, so it can last forever in the fridge. So it's not a problem that you need to eat it tomorrow. You can eat it through the time, use the time to eat it. Go very well with pork and turkey, chicken. So it's easy to use. So just cut it like that into the pot. And you see the pot get quick full, but that will go down very quickly. So the other one exactly the same. And cut it fine. Still have a half left here. There's no more space in there. So we just add caraway seed, about that much. We add sugar. And we add vinegar. Yeah, about that much. We add water to that. Then we need to take the apple. We take out the middle, like that. And we peel the apple. like that. Yeah, the sauerkraut is finished. We can decan it. Put it into this is, you can freeze it if you want. It's freezing very well. So but you can also have it in the fridge for my experience forever. You because like I said, I had mine in the fridge for more than a year and it was still as good. So it's strange how it actually works, but that is how it is. So I choose to have this into the fridge